Messed around and getting a little bit of a late start this morning. It's like 7:30. I gotta hurry up before that sun gets too much higher and get these tires changed so I can get this truck off this trailer. That's what I gotta do. Look at the nasty mess still in the back of that truck. Yeah. I gotta hustle. It's getting hot. That looks a lot different, don't it? Those are 31-10-5s. Anyway, let me get busy. Alright, now we got tires that hold air on it. It don't look too bad with 31s. Needs to be lowered, don't it? And here's what we're up against under the hood. It's got a 250. And no brakes apparently. I'm gonna see if I can add some brake fluid and see if that helps. It does have a Holley on it. I guess that's better, I guess. Pulled the air cleaner off, which was just sitting there. See, somebody has just wired the choke open. Looks like flipped the choke plate upside downwards too. Well, there's time to figure all that stuff out. I'm not going to get it running now. The old truck ain't too bad. Here's the worst part about it. Somebody put a sunroof in it. It's not factory, but it's good. Alright, now we got the old truck off the trailer. No brakes, but wasn't too bad. Put it in gear and let the clutch out and slow you up a little bit. No power steering either. So now the next order of business is get this one in and so we can put a transmission in. We didn't film none of that. It would have been entertaining, but we got it in here. So, right?
Right.
So, I'm going to jack it up and put a transmission in it. I think. First I got to put a rear main seal in it. Alright, now what we need to do is clean up our workbench and our work area a little bit. Not a lot, just a little. So we can see what we're doing. See how to do it. Then we'll jack this thing up and put a transmission in it. Look at what the boy just surprised me with. He found all that trim in the back of the 68 with all that under all that trash. Atta boy. That's enough for 1, 2, 3 wheels. It ain't all of it, but it's a start. Alright. Alright. I done changed the rear main seal. Now the interweb experts say you need to do it, pry it out with a screwdriver. This is a one-piece rear main seal, but I stuck a drywall screw through it and popped it out with a pair of side cutters. But I'm sure the guys on the interwebs are more righter than me, right?
Right.
What you fixing to do there?
Fixing to make this one work. Everything right when I hook it up to this power should work.
Okay, let me know how it turns out. Or maybe
can
I'll know when it goes. Well, we've lost a master cylinder on our little endeavor, but what are you gonna do? You know what I think, bud? I was just listening to a commercial on TV and it said, you believe so and so and such and such, therefore you should buy this kind of car. And you know what? I don't think they really know what I believe. They're just trying to suggest what they think I should believe. Reminds me of when elections were going on and I kept hearing, the American people want blah 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 blah. Well, guess what? They don't have a clue what the American people want. Those people are so distanced from the American people, it's unreal. Alright, now that I made that rant, I'm going to go back under here and finish putting this transmission in. We went and moved the truck like I said, lost the master cylinder in the dually, didn't have no brakes. Luckily a store in a town, a few towns over had one. Stopped, changed it in the parking lot, and away we went. Had to buy a toolkit from Dollar General for $7.75. Why is it that stuff at Dollar General costs more than $1? I don't know. I caught her eating peanuts.
No.
And you were eating peanuts. Alright, I got the transmission about done in this thing, except my transmission mount went missing. I just called my cousin, who's the official rebuilder, and he says he has it somewhere.
He does have it?
Yeah, but it's not where he's at. And it's a long story, so it's shot anyway. I'm going to go buy a new one.
It's
like
shot?
It's like 1995.
Oh.
Can you afford that?
Can you afford that?
I hope. You ain't spent all my money buying peanuts.
Wait a minute. Let's talk about how many sunflower seeds
We
you go through in a week.
ain't talking about sunflower seeds. The only other thing I'm going to do is I got to drop the exhaust crossover because I feel like both donuts are blown out. And I'm going to see what I need there. And then I think we'll get cleaned up and run to the parts store. Because I'm awful greasy and sweaty and stinky.
We could get a burger.
Huh?
And we could get a burger.
Yeah, maybe we could do that. And
Please,
stinky.
I'm starving.
And stinky.
Yeah.
Oh, and Mississippi Chevy's been waxing and polishing the 57 outside in 90-degree heat.
Yeah.
But it's good for her.
Made me lose a few more pounds.
Toughens her up.